Where are we going?
We're going to LA Auto Show.
LA Auto Show? That is correct, guys. We're going to the LA Auto Show. We got a little fan right here. What is this vlog for, Damien?
Some cars that are at LA Auto Show.
Stay tuned.
You got a young night owl.
Young night owl, huh? Damn.
That has to be like 2.2 million.
It says Milu. Sheesh. That looks nice.
Okay, it's available now, bro.
Plastic?
Put it in your backpack.
This looks sick. Put it in my backpack? Ha! It's not a full, bro.
Well, there's an inflatable sofa. Let me see what happens.
Oh,
shit.
Hey, I want to see two big boys go in.
If not, if this thing holds me, so I'm about to bite.
Fool, we got this, man. Atari, bro. It's an Atari.
Now pull a third big boy. Come on, Damien, get in here.
Go, say we get in there.
Damien literally has this car in Roblox.
Like that color?
Same color, right?
You got this in the Roblox, bro?
Yeah.
Well, this looks sick right there.
Yeah, well, these fucking lowriders look sick. These lowrider bikes,
Yeah.
they look sick.
Look at that one, look. That one like fucking sick, man.
Yeah. Hulk, what are you doing, Hulk? What are you doing, my boy?
That's for him? That's for Hulk.
That's for Hulk right here. Imagine Hulk jumping on this lowrider right here.
Yeah.
I was gonna say that's cool.
What do you think about this one, bro?
That should look nice. Even the battery, bro. What are we doing here?
I guess you're spinning, getting a free in and out.
Free in and out? What?
Burger?
Nah. So what are you gonna do right now?
Where's my burger?
What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
Yeah, burger. Yeah, you get a burger right there.
Your turn, my boy. Okay. Yeah. What did you get? What is it? What is it? Oh, nice. What are you doing? Sheesh. What are you getting, bro? No, I'm not doing it. Go. Sorry. Get a burger. Get the kite then. Hey, that would be perfect display in the wall.
That's what I'm saying, my background, right?
Yup.
Jump over. There. Can you do wheelies? No wheelies?
Want to take a picture? Ready? There you go, sir.
All right. You want to be cops one day?
I did. That was my dream one time. But yeah. Can I get in too? Yeah.
Get on it. The siren is right there on the there you go. Stop people, stop people.
Thank you, sir.
There's a black guy, get stop him.
Oh, hey, good job.
That's a Nissan Z, bro.
Yeah.
Dude, look at the GTR though, man. That looks sick. Yeah. Hey, what's going on, bro?
Can I go around?
Let them finish and then you next.
To film him?
Are you with them?
Yeah.
There you go.
What are you doing, bro?
Oh man, I'm trying to hotwire that bitch.
Where are you going?
I'm trying to hotwire that bitch. Damn, bro, that's sick, bro.
Oh, that looks
No.
beautiful.
What do you think about? It look nice, huh? Yeah, bro. I like. You know, good space. What is that good space?
Big space?
Yeah. Jeez.
What do you think, Damien?
Fuck, cool. Damn, when I want it. When I want it, bro. But it's not electric seat, fool. It's a manual. It's a manually fucking thing, fool. Damn, you got the gauges right there too?
Is the Z?
Yeah. Oh, that's sick, dude. I really want it, dude. Hey, you think I can pop the hood? Can I? Fucking.
It is beautiful. What do you think?
Oh yeah, because it's
Oh, that's dope. What is at the back?
back, yeah.
Yes, the back.
So I think you change that, it's like, see? And you change the actual mirror, and then you do this, you get the video.
No.
Look at this dumbass.
On this body, I'm John Stockton. Certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff.
Yeah, we're flipping over on that shit, dog.
Are we?
Yeah, we're flipping over, dog.
No, you're not. We be alright, bro. That's it. All the big boys gotta be on the left side, bro.
We're gonna flip. We're gonna flip.
That's who I wanna see. Holy. You guys ready? Yeah. We're born ready. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I'm not even holding nothing.
Here it comes.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Oh no! Are we good? Holy shit, that was scary, bro. Oh. Ay. Holy. Holy. Oh. Holy shit.
This is going up again.
No way. Holy shit, no. Oh no! Oh shit! Whoa. Hey, can you go slowly, please? Don't go too hard. Holy shit. Oh no. Holy shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Bro, I feel like I'm in a rope.
No, I know, bro.
Went forward.
Oh.
A day in my life is a dream. I never get tired. Mom told me that God is a try.
Come on, let's go. No world.
New roll. Thank you, sir. That's just too bright. This is for Cheetah, fool. Cheetah want to see it, fool. Which one? That one? Yeah.
It's the beautifulest car ever.
There you go.
You got a racing car, huh?
Like a rally?
Yeah, rally. Huh?
First custom.
Hey, we're gonna go with tea, okay?
I'll go be.
We got a shotgun? Everybody in seatbelt, buddy. What do you think?
Huh?
Are you fixing your seat?
No, I'm good already.
Good?
Yeah.
There you go, bro.
Swipe up.
Oh, damn.
Swipe down on that, that's gonna be reversed.
Oh, really?
Oh, damn.
So there's no like button or nothing, huh?
No, there is a fail-safe. Let's say the screen, you to break the screen.
Ah.
Where the hazard light is at, up
Yeah,
top,
yeah.
right here.
Okay.
It'll illuminate, it'll show all the different driving directions, but that's only for a fail-safe reason.
Ah.
You just go.
Yeah.
Press
He said
gas?
yeah, he said when you're ready. I mean, press battery. There's a gas.
Press battery?
That's the accelerator.
I just said press gas.
How you feeling though?
Damn, I mean,
Smooth as fuck?
it's like if I'm driving a truck.
But
So it does feel
but
big.
like the
Because you know I drive
the escalator, like when you
I
press,
drive a sedan, not a truck.
you see all those ghosts right there, fool.
Yeah.
No, they're actual people, bro.
So if I go, would it automatically stop? If I don't press stop?
Yeah, correct.
Damn. Oh no, don't try it, bitch.
How's it?
No, take your foot off.
Yeah?
Take your foot off.
Nah.
For real?
Like, don't press it. It won't roll. You're on the accelerator right now. That's why it's rolling. Yeah, don't
Come
put your
on,
foot
bro.
on.
We
Oh, I
wanna go now. He said go. Watch out, watch out, watch out. All right, go, 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 go,
Telling
go.
me to.
Yeah, other guy was like not even stopping, bro.
You're just gonna follow the Cybertruck.
Follow those Cybertrucks.
Yeah.
Damn.
What happened? Smooth? You feel about, man?
I mean, it feels heavy.
Yeah? Look at the steering. The steering was crazy.
It feels heavy to you, really?
Yeah, it feels heavy.
What? Heavier than your car, huh?
Definitely.
Because we're in the normal mode. I'm pretty sure they have like sports mode, no?
Yeah.
This behind us?
Yeah, this is the back camera. What is this guy doing?
You're making it right because this lane split.
What was the brake, bro? You hitting it hard.
I'm not even pressing brakes.
Damn, bro.
That's because when you come off of it quick, it's gonna stop like that. You just want to slowly come off of it.
Oh, I see.
Oh, he's running away, bro. One of the truck running away.
Oh, and the cool part that you don't even have to press the brake, huh?
Nope, and the brake lights are on too.
Oh, that's crazy. You don't have to press the brake.
Oh.
All you have to do is press the
Just let it go.
accelerator.
Just let it go, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
This other guy's running away, though. Look. He's on the left. Other Cybertruck.
Oh, why is he on the left?
I know, right? Is it a regular one? Somebody actually own it?
Someone's
No, that's us for sure.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, because it has a Florida plate.
Oh.
I see.
Oh, that's...
All of our demo vehicles have Florida plates.
Oh, what's up with that, though?
So in case somebody's stealing, we track them down faster.
Oh. I thought the registration's cheap over there. You know how Cali is, bro?
Nah, we would do it in Oregon if anything.
Oh, shit.